How to change display language setting on Pepperstone.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to change your language setting for Pepperstone.com, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First, launch open a web browser and in the URL box type in pepperstone.com and search. Once you are done with it, you'll be able to see the home page of Pepperstone. From here, go to the upper right corner and click this globe icon where it will show your current selected language. Choose a different language you want to change to from the option. This will give the website a quick refresh in your chosen language. All the display options will be now shown in your chosen preferred language. You can always change your language setting from the top right menu whenever needed. So there you go, that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.